So then there are types of audience. Now this types of audience is the main reason why I love Facebook so much. We can target people so easily and so precisely that it's quite surreal and it's quite I mean, I found it to be quite amazing, more or less like magic that I can able to target people so specifically. So there are three kinds of audiences by Facebook. So one is the seed audience. I am going to show you how that works. That is when you select an audience on Facebook depending on their behavior or preference. Now for behavior and preference, okay, I'll explain it in the next slide. So just remember this, that the seed audience is the selection of audience by Facebook algorithms. Then custom audience is of people who have already interacted with you. If suppose you have a list of patients who have come to your clinic in the past 2 years and you have the name, number, email ID and all those details, then they are your custom audience. You can target ads to them as well. Then suppose if initially you select a seed audience, this is what usually people do, marketers do, they select a seed audience, and from those seed audience they will select the people who have interacted with you. Like suppose somebody sees your ad randomly on Facebook and they maybe go to your Facebook page or they maybe fill out the form, and then they don't do anything, they don't contact you or anything of that sort. So at least they have had some interaction, they have clicked on your ad at least. So you can have their data, and that data is the custom audience. Then there's something called the lookalike audience. That is a lookalike of the custom audience. For example, if you have data of 200 patients from your own clinic who have visited you in the past 1 year or 2 years, so Facebook has the ability to upload those 200 patient details and find you maybe 2000 or 20,000 or 2 lakh people from all of Facebook who are similar to those users. By users, I mean the data points. So Facebook will itself identify the audience for you from the custom audience, from the patients that you have given to Facebook. It can study it and it can give you the results. Okay, this is how I'll explain it to you. So it is showing me people whose close friends who live abroad, or family of those who live abroad, or somebody who has already lived in Argentina, Australia, or Belgium, Brazil. So there are these number of people, like they are around 4 crore people if I'm not wrong. Then there are people who have interest in advertising. These many people, agriculture, architecture, banking, business. So these are the categories that Facebook has segregated their users in. Like suppose if I am in advertising, or if I am in agriculture, or if I am an architect, then I would come under the architecture. And if somebody wants to target architecture or people who have interest in architecture, then then those, or that then the Facebook marketer can use that audience. That will be the seed audience. This is the audience that Facebook is selecting, helping you select on the basis of the demographics, interest and behaviors. So the first kind of audience where you don't have any audience of your own and you're totally dependent on Facebook, that is what the seed audience is. Seed audience is what Facebook would look for it, help you look for it and target your ads to. So that is the first audience. Most of the time, whenever some digital marketer enters a new industry or starts marketing for you first, they are going to select audience, the seed audience from Facebook, and show them the ads. From them, suppose you showed the ads to 1 lakh people in total in a particular area. Out of those, 20,000 people interacted with your ad. They came to your landing page, they came to your ad, they filled your form and all those things. So now those 20,000 people are your custom audience. Now, next time when you're going to do the retargeting of the ads, I'm going to talk about retargeting also later on. When you talk about when you want to retarget the ads, then you can show the same people, that same custom audience, the 20,000 people who have interacted with you from the previous ads. They are going to show ads to them. Now, suppose you have 20,000 people who are interested in your service, who are interested in coming to a dentist. So according to Facebook, it is going to identify 2 lakh people who are similar to those 20,000 people when it in terms of data points, in terms of liking maybe healthcare, or maybe being rich, maybe having expensive phones, something like that. You can target all kinds of people on Facebook. So those kind of people will be the custom audience. The rate return, the chances of those patients coming to you is a little higher with the custom audience, and it is a little less. I mean, the best is the custom audience, then it is the lookalike audience, and lowest is the seed audience. So seed audience is mainly for the awareness ads, where the marketers are usually gauging what kind of people would be interested in your clinic, because for each and every type of clinic there are different kinds of people. If you have a medium range clinic where medium range treatment charges are there, then you would have a different kind of an audience. Then if you have premium charges, premium treatments, you have a very posh clinic, you've invested a lot, then the kind of patients that come to you is different. So the audience selection, even during the same field, even during dentistry or a dental clinic, even during that, it is different for each clinic. So that needs to be identified by the digital marketer only. Then once you've decided the kind of people, the kind of interest, the kind of demographic that you're going to be targeting, then you decide the area. Like in this, the drop pin is my clinic, the location of my clinic, and I am targeting 3 kilometer radius, people within 3 kilometer radius of the clinic. Now radius means right side 3 kilometers, left side 3 kilometers. So the entire diameter is 6 kilometers. So as you can see, the kind of interest and behavior that I had selected earlier, if I put a capping of a 3 kilometer radius near my clinic, then there are 20,000, 27,000 potential users that I can reach to show my ad.